Are you paying for Salesforce licenses users don't need? Stop wasting money. I will show you how to remove a license in under 2 minutes. This is a super common problem for admins. You have users who have left the company or maybe just don't need access anymore, but you are afraid to delete them because you might lose their data or all their historical records. So you just leave them sitting there, taking up a paid license. I have been there myself, and there is a much better way. So here is the plan. We will start from the Salesforce homepage, go into Setup, find the specific user, deactivate them, and confirm everything. That frees up the license instantly while keeping every single record they ever created safe and sound. Let us walk through it. All right, so we are going to start right from your Salesforce homepage. Now, this is the standard Lightning experience view that most of us use. Look up in the top right corner of your screen. You will see the gear icon. That is the Quick Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. When that menu drops down, you are going to see an option that says Setup. But actually, we need a little more room to work, so click on Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to the full Salesforce setup environment where we have all the admin controls. So now you are in Setup. This can look a little intimidating if you are new to it, but we are just going to use the search bar. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is a panel called Quick Find. You are going to click into that search box and just type the word Users. As you type, the menu will filter down, and you will see an option appear that says Users. Click on that. Now, this is the list of every person in your organization. It includes active users, and if you have ever done this before, inactive ones too. Scroll down the list until you find the person whose license you want to free up. Once you have their name in sight, look all the way to the far right of their row. You will see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down. From that drop-down menu, you are going to select Edit. This opens up the user record. Do not worry, you are not deleting anything. You are just editing their settings. Once that user record page is open, you are going to see a lot of fields. Addresses, roles, profiles. It can feel like a lot, but we are only looking for one specific thing. Scroll down the page a little bit, or you can just press Ctrl F on your keyboard and type Active. You are looking for a checkbox right next to the word Active. Right now, it is checked. This means they are currently a live, paid user. Go ahead and uncheck that box. Unclick it. Now, I want to pause here for a second because this is the key moment. By unchecking this box, you are telling Salesforce that this user should no longer be able to log in. Their license is immediately freed up, but all their data, their accounts, their contacts, their opportunities, the reports they created, everything stays right where it is. No data loss whatsoever. This is the power of deactivation versus deletion. So after you uncheck that box, you need to find the Save button. It is usually at the very top of the page or down at the bottom. Before you click Save, Salesforce is going to check with you. It will likely pop up a confirmation window asking if you are sure you want to deactivate this user. Click that confirmation button to say yes. Now, go ahead and click the final Save button to lock it in. And that is it. In about a minute, you have freed up a paid license and saved your company money. You can go back to the user list and confirm that the user is now showing as inactive. You have cleaned up your user list, kept all your historical data, and stopped paying for something you are not using. Go ahead and give yourself a quick pat on the back. You just did a real admin power move.